In this video, I will talk about how to become wealthy with a small salary by applying the 8 steps. If there's one video you must watch on YouTube today, it's this one. It can help you solve many problems and build a fortune with your income. Step number 1, pay yourself first. The first thing to do as soon as you receive your salary is to pay yourself. By that, I mean setting aside money for your savings and future investments. Warren Buffett has always emphasized the importance of this fundamental step. Indeed, he considers that paying your expenses first is impoverishing yourself slowly. Instead, he recommends systematically setting aside 10% of your income as soon as it hits your account. Why 10%? Because it's a reasonable percentage that allows you to save enough without tightening your belt too much. Of course, if you can save more, even better. But the key is to establish this habit from the outset. By paying your future investments first, you ensure that this money won't be spent on other things. It's a bit like paying yourself before paying anyone else. And believe me, this discipline is the key to building a solid long-term wealth. Warren Buffett himself started with modest sums, but by investing intelligently year after year, he eventually became one of the richest men in the world. So, as soon as your salary comes in, immediately set aside 10% in a savings or investment account. That's the first step towards wealth, according to the great Master Buffett. Step number 2, pay off your debts. Once you've set money aside for yourself, the second crucial step is to pay off your debts. And Warren Buffett is categorical about this. Debts are the number one enemy of wealth creation. You see, when you have debts, whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or a mortgage, you're paying interest. And that interest is literally money you burn every month, every year. Worse still, debts can quickly become a crushing burden that holds you back financially. Imagine you have $10,000 in debt with a 15% annual interest rate. That means every year, you'll have to pay $1,500 just in interest. That's money you can't invest or spend on your well-being. Warren Buffett has always advocated for a modest lifestyle free of unnecessary debts. He believes it's the only way to truly be financially free and able to invest in wealth creation. So, after setting money aside for yourself, dedicate the rest of your monthly budget to methodically paying off your debts. Start with those with the highest interest rates. It's a process that may take time, but every debt paid off is a victory that brings you closer to financial freedom. And believe me, when you're finally rid of that burden, you'll feel so light and ready to truly start building your wealth. Step number 3, master your expenses. Now that you've paid for your future investments and paid off some of your debts, it's time for the next step, mastering your expenses. Warren Buffett is known for his relatively modest lifestyle, despite his colossal fortune. He has never succumbed to the temptation to spend excessively or indulge in unnecessary luxury goods. Instead, he has always advocated for a philosophy of smart frugality. For him, every expense must be carefully evaluated and justified. Is it really necessary? Does it truly add value to my life? If the answer is no, then it's better to abstain and save that money to invest it productively. Of course, this doesn't mean you have to live like a monk or deprive yourself of all pleasures. Buffett himself admits to indulging in certain small luxuries from time to time, such as an excellent meal at a restaurant or a quality piece of clothing. But the key is to maintain strict control over your expenses and avoid impulse purchases or unnecessary wastage of money. A good strategy is to set yourself a reasonable monthly budget for non-essential expenses like leisure activities, dining out, etc., and then rigorously stick to that budget. You can also adopt techniques like making shopping lists, comparing prices, buying secondhand when possible, and systematically asking yourself, do I really need this? Before each purchase. The goal is to create a habit of responsible consumption where you control your money instead of letting it slip through your fingers. Warren Buffett likes to repeat this phrase. If you don't have the discipline to control your small expenses, you won't have the discipline to manage large sums of money. And he's absolutely right. The path to wealth begins with tight budget management on a daily basis. Now that the foundations are laid with savings, debt repayment, and expense control, let's move on to the next step advocated by Warren Buffett, investing in your own education. You see, one of Buffett's secrets to success is his insatiable thirst for learning and constantly educating himself. despite his enormous fortune. He continues to study, read, and stay informed about the latest trends and investment opportunities. For him, education is the key that opens all doors. The more you know, the smarter you become in your investment and money management decisions. It's a virtuous circle where knowledge allows you to earn more. So once you follow the first 3 steps, dedicate part of your budget to self-education, whether through courses, books, online training, or by attending seminars and conferences. Money invested in your financial education is one of the best investments you can make. Indeed, the skills and knowledge acquired will serve you throughout your life and allow you to generate increasingly significant income. Buffett himself is a striking example. His success largely stems from his passion for learning and his mastery of investment and financial analysis concepts. Every penny he invested in his education paid off 100-fold. So don't hesitate to keep learning, whether about stock investing techniques, real estate, online marketing, or any other promising field. The more you learn, the more your opportunities to generate income will multiply. Step number 5, diversify your sources of income. Once you've mastered the basics of money management and built a solid knowledge base, it's time to move on to the next step recommended by Warren Buffett. Diversify your sources of income. You see, one of Buffett's greatest strengths is that he never put all his eggs in one basket. His immense fortune actually comes from multiple different investments in stocks, real estate, businesses, and more. And that's a winning strategy because it greatly reduces risk. If one of his investments performed poorly, the others made up for it. His diversification spared him from severe financial shocks. Moreover, having several sources of income gives you valuable security and financial freedom. You're no longer dependent on a single employer or a single activity. If one of them fails, you have other income streams to fall back on. So, once you laid the groundwork, start exploring different ways to earn money beyond your main job. Invest in rental real estate, launch a small online business, diversify your stock portfolio, etc. The idea is to gradually build a set of recurring and semi-passive income streams that will provide you with a steady cash flow, even if you one day stop working. That is the key to achieving true long-term financial independence. Of course, it takes work and effort at the beginning, but in Buffett's own words, the only real way to become wealthy is by creating added value in this world. So diversify your activities wisely to start creating that value and those multiple income streams. Step number 6, be a patient and disciplined investor. Now that we've laid the foundations and you've started to diversify your income sources, it's time to address a fundamental principle of Warren Buffett's philosophy: being a patient and disciplined investor. You see, one of the reasons Buffett has been so successful is that he never gave in to panic or emotional market swings. He always kept his calm and long-term vision, even during the most turbulent times. For him, investing is not a game of chance or short-term speculation. It's a marathon where the key is to have a solid strategy, do thorough analysis, and above all, be patient and disciplined in its execution. How many people have lost everything by chasing quick profits, giving in to fear or greed? Buffett, on the other hand, remains unshakable. He waits for the right moment, the right opportunity, and never rushes. This patience has allowed him to make smart investments at the best price when others were panic selling, and his discipline prevented him from ruining everything later by constantly changing course based on the market's mood. So, whether you're investing in stocks, real estate, or businesses, apply this philosophy of being a patient and disciplined investor. Define a clear strategy based on thorough analysis, and then execute methodically without being distracted by the surrounding noise. Always keep your end goal in mind and stay calm, even in difficult times. It's this mental strength that will allow you over time to make profitable investments and grow your wealth instead of losing it all. As Buffett says so well, skill is nothing without the patience, discipline, and calm needed to exercise it properly. Make these qualities your allies on the path to financial success. Step number 7, give back. So far, we've covered many aspects of wealth creation according to Warren Buffett's philosophy. But his teachings don't stop at the selfish accumulation of material goods. In fact, a central element of his thinking is the importance of giving back. For Buffett, true success is not only measured by the wealth accumulated, but also by what you do to help others and contribute to a better world. That's why, once you've reached a certain level of financial prosperity, Buffett would encourage you to give back, whether through philanthropy, volunteering, or simply helping those around you. You see, this billionaire still leads a relatively modest and frugal life. He doesn't need to accumulate more wealth for himself. Instead, he decided to donate the vast majority of his fortune to charitable causes before his death. A gesture of immense generosity that clearly shows that, for Buffett, the ultimate success lies in using one's money, influence, and time to improve the lives of millions in need. But you don't need to be a billionaire to apply this principle. As soon as you start generating comfortable profits through your investments, consider donating a portion to organizations that matter to you. You can also give your time by volunteering for causes that inspire you, or use the skills you've acquired to advise and help others improve their financial situations. Because according to Buffett, wealth only has true meaning if it serves something greater than oneself. It's a way to create a lasting positive impact around you. By giving back, whether with money or meaningful actions, you enter a virtuous circle where your success generates more success in others. It's a beautiful way to leave behind a rich legacy. So once you climb the ladder toward genuine financial prosperity, don't forget this essential principle from Warren Buffett. Give back out of generosity, but also out of compassion for those in need. Step number 8, cultivate your wisdom. Finally, the last step inspired by Warren Buffett's life philosophy is perhaps the most important. Cultivate your wisdom. Because in the end, becoming truly rich isn't just about accumulating material wealth. For Buffett, true success is above all about personal development, wisdom, inner peace, and deep values that guide your choices and actions. You see, although this man is immensely wealthy, he has never lost sight of what matters most: behaving with integrity, staying humble, keeping a long-term vision, and placing the true meaning of life above financial concerns. It's this wisdom that allowed him to stay grounded despite his vast fortune, to stay focused on his real priorities like family, friends, and health, rather than being blinded by money. Of course, reaching that level of wisdom is a lifelong journey. It involves personal growth, self-reflection, and setting real goals that go beyond the accumulation of wealth. But if you follow in Warren Buffett's footsteps, you'll quickly realize that the path to a fulfilled and meaningful life doesn't lie in financial success alone. It's a broader balance, combining prosperity, wisdom, values, and inner serenity. So, as your wealth grows, never forget to also cultivate this other, more essential form of wealth, that of the mind, the heart, and the soul. Take time to reflect on the deeper meaning you want to give your life. Surround yourself with kind and inspiring people. And above all, stay humble and grounded, just as the great Warren Buffett has always done. That's how you'll achieve true success on all levels, financial of course, but also, and more importantly, human. So, we've come to the end of this in-depth exploration of the 8 key steps to becoming rich according to the wise teachings of Warren Buffett. I hope these words have inspired and motivated you to apply these fundamental principles in your own life. Because don't forget, even the greatest investor of all time started from the bottom before climbing to the top. With discipline, patience, a long-term vision, and the will to constantly improve yourself, you too can build lasting wealth and achieve that much-desired financial prosperity. But also remember that success isn't measured only by the numbers in your bank account. It also lies in what you give back to the world, whether through philanthropy or sharing your knowledge. And finally, cultivate the wisdom that will help you maintain balance as your wealth grows. Because in the end, what truly matters is being at peace with yourself and giving real meaning to your life. That's all for this video. I wish you success in applying these wise pieces of advice from Warren Buffett with perseverance and determination. And who knows, maybe we'll find ourselves one day on the list of the world's wealthiest people. See you soon.